In this video, I'll show you a simple way to make a lot of money online that has nothing to do with social media. Also, you don't have to sell anything, so you can do this even if you have no experience. As always, if you like this kind of content and want to see more of it, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any of my new videos, click that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now that that's out of the way, let's watch the video. Okay, guys, let's get right down to business. Findaforum.net is the first site I'll show you today that is part of this strategy. As the name suggests, this site can help you find forums with tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of members and different topics. You can help people lose weight, sell things online, buy and sell property, and so on. When you come here, the first thing you do is pick one of them. So either chooses the ones you are most interested in or just pick a few at random. Then leave this site and go to audible.com, the second platform we will use today. I'm guessing that most of you have heard of this site and know what it is. Let me briefly explain for those of you who don't know. Amazon is a business that sells many different kinds of audiobooks. Some people would rather listen to an audiobook than read a book, so these are very popular. Paid memberships are how Amazon makes money. People pay a set amount of money each month to use this site and get access to the audiobooks it has. So if you go to a site called similarweb.com, you can see that over 20 million people have been to audible.com in the last month. This proves that it is a popular site, which is very important for us. We will be promoting it as an affiliate, which is why, if you don't like affiliate marketing, you should keep watching because Audible is very different from other sites. People don't have to pay for anything for you to get paid through Audible. Affiliate marketing works best when you can persuade someone to pay for a product or a monthly membership to a website. When they do, you get a cut of the money, which is usually around 30%. With Audible, on the other hand, you get paid when someone signs up for their 30-day free trial. As you can see here, after 30 days, they pay $14.95 a month. They can cancel at any time, and they don't have to pay this website until 30 days have passed. This is exactly why Audible is a great product to promote as an affiliate, since the main problem with affiliate marketing is that it's hard to get someone to buy a product and very few people actually do. In the meantime, it's much easier to get people to sign up for a 30-day free trial, and a lot more of them will actually do it, which will boost your profits. Anyway, the next thing you should do is go to Google and search for Audible affiliates. You will need to open this page, and when you do, these 3 steps will be the first thing you see. So to speak, and it's all pretty straightforward. You will advertise, bring people to Audible, and get paid. But that's not all I wanted to show you on this page. I know that you guys like exact numbers, so here you can see how much you will be paid. Just look at this. You will get $5 every time someone signs up for a free trial on this website. Even if only 10 people sign up, that money can add up to a lot. Already, it's 50, which isn't bad at all. Now, if someone signs up for a paid membership, you'll get an extra 10, so you could make up to $15 per customer. If that's not enough, you get 50 cents for every audiobook they buy, so there's a lot of room to make some good money here. So guys, read everything on this page so you know exactly how this works. I'll just skip that, so I won't make this video longer. On this page, all you really need to do is go back to the top and click on Become an Affiliate here. Then make an Amazon account, and once you've done that, just log in. I see that you have an account with Audible. I need to explain how finding a forum will be our source of traffic, because I'm sure most of you don't understand why we're using it instead of Facebook or something else. The social media platform is easy to use because you can get links to specific audiobooks from Audible. So you can get a link to an audiobook about marketing that you can give to your friends. For example, you can get one for weight loss and diet or anything else. Since you are promoting specific audiobooks, you need a targeted audience and a forum offer. You can find forums where people talk about marketing or whatever they are interested in. As an example, I'll go with a niche about losing weight. Once you've chosen your niche, you should go to Google and look for the most popular or best audiobook in that niche. Again, my goal is to lose weight, so I looked for the most popular audiobooks on weight loss. It was easy for me to find, and as you can see, it didn't cost me any money. So people don't have to pay for audiobooks, as I've said many times. You will get the affiliate link for the audiobook you want to sell. Then go find a forum and share it with everyone there. This forum alone has 50,000 people who use it. All of these forums probably have 1 million or more members, which means that 1 million people could buy from you. It's insane. I just need 1,000 people to sign up for the free trial of Audible, and I can easily make $5,000. I hope that some of them will buy an Audible membership and help me make even more money. Guys, remember this, you shouldn't stick to just one niche. To make the most money, you should get affiliate links from different audiobooks in different niches and keep doing what you're doing. I told you where you could find an audiobook about marketing on the internet. For instance, instead of a niche, you could go to Google and look for the best or most popular audiobooks, which you could then share with everyone you can find on these forums. The best part is that you will make money without having to do anything. All you have to do is share your link. Your work is done. Remember that new people join these forums every day, so there's a big chance that someone will see your link and click on it. Having said that, it's been months, if not years, since it was shared. As you can see, it's a simple and easy way to make money online, and you don't need any special skills or knowledge to do it. So this is the end of the video for today. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. If you want to know when I post new videos, click the red subscribe button and turn on notifications, which will let you know when a new video comes out. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in one of my other videos.